Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche and we are finishing up our box project, and I wanted to show you how to get a link to your project from OnShape so you can turn it in. What I'm looking for at the end of the project is a good picture of your box, orbit it to some 3D view and take a picture of it, right, with your screenshot, turn that in. And I'm also looking for the link to the project file, and that's the thing I got to look at and make sure it looks good. So we're either going to have a box with a lid, or we're not going to have a box with a lid, depending on how much time we have. Either way is definitely good. But let me show you how to get the link. Okay, so I'm going to go to this one because I don't think I've started this one. This one will look like ours, our kind of folder. So I've got this great box, looks pretty cool. I added these like little bottom things to it. Added a kind of a little lip to it. I wanted to put some things on the side, but right now if I need to get the link to it, so I can share this document or this project with people, I would have to go like this. There's a little button up here called share, so I'm going to click on it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it says that the document is private and only the users listed below can use this document. We can make them public. It's not a big deal. So what we're going to do is go here, okay, and we're going to go to public, okay, and we're going to say make public, okay. And then what happens is this says that you can do this, right? And it looks like people can export it, and I can comment on it and stuff like that, and that's really good. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to link sharing. Okay, and it says turn on link sharing to allow anyone with the link to view this document, and that's what I need. I need to get this. So you got to turn on link sharing. Okay, and then what happens is you get this link. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to copy this link to the clipboard, right? You can go Control A or Command A and Command C or Control C to copy it. And then basically what you're going to do is you're just going to go to the assignment on Google Docs and paste this link here. If you can't directly paste it in, you could put the link in a Google document, like this, like here. I don't know, I'm making another like, but you could go like, this is my homework, and go like that. And then that'll come in too. So then you send this document in there too. So you can send a link to that. But I think you just put the link in, that'd be fine. And if I'm looking for like a screenshot as well, okay. If you go to OnShape, let me see here. Let me close this. Okay. Let me see if you can do things like this on a Mac. You can go Shift Command 4. And it lets you take a screenshot like that. Okay, that's Shift Command 4 on a Mac. And on a PC, there's a button that if you go Shift up at the top, I think it's F7, it lets you take a picture which you can paste into like a Google Doc, and then you can send the Google Doc. So what I'm looking for is one, a picture of this, and then two, I'm looking for the shared link, this link right here, okay, for the final assignment on Friday. Okay. So thanks a lot. Let's get all this stuff together, and look forward to seeing these really cool boxes. All right, bye.